everybody, this is Sonia again, and I just got back from being in the hospital. I want to feel creative again, and I'm trying to get my brain working, my juices flowing. So I have a calendar that I just took off the wall recently, and there's so many pretty things that I fussy cut out. So I have no plan for this. I'm just kind of winging it. I'm not even sure how this is going to go together, but here I go. And I'm just going to put some base materials here. I just want to feel like I'm creative again. You know how that goes. You go away from this for a while and then you just have to do something. So here I am trying to use up this calendar and repurpose a calendar. So I am just kind of go along here. No plan, you know, I'm just kind of going along. See how this is going to get laid out. Using some scrap paper here, and part of these things are from my calendar. Let's see. Hope I'm still in the view here. Just laying down some stuff that I grabbed. Okay. Not sure how this is going to turn out. I tell you, I have no plan. It's just going to be kind of a creative, whimsical thing going along. Hopefully it'll be okay. Okay. I saw somebody else doing a calendar, and they didn't really collage it, but I thought, I had an idea. I thought, you know what? I'm just going to save this calendar and start trying to do some stuff with it. Just bits and pieces here. I'm not distressing any of these pieces. I'm just going to tear them. Don't need to distress stuff if you don't need to. I like these. This is from a paper pad. These kind of a rose design. I thought I would use some of that. I fussy cut some of these beautiful flowers out of this calendar, and I'm going to incorporate some of this stuff in here at some point. Got some book pages I'm going to lay down. I have this little, it's like a little border window thing, and I wanted to put a piece of this calendar in here somewhere, maybe, if I can maybe put that in there. And add some of these other ones. Let's see. It's really not big enough, but I I could use it anyway. Okay, I want to stick that over there. Oh yeah, I want to put this under here. Chunk of calendar. Dream a little bigger. Okay. A piece of an envelope. Well, oops, I almost covered that up, didn't I? Let me tear that off so you can still see this. It's another piece of calendar. Let's see. This is here, so I want to put this maybe up here. Yeah, I want to put these flowers. Don't think I'm quite ready. I need all this gap here. I need to fill in. This, I think, numbers. I think I'll put that up there. I think that'll fit right there. Okay, let me think a minute. Let me think. I've got be bold. Be bold. I'm thinking where to put some of these things. Put another calendar down here. No, I got too many calendars. I have these beautiful feathers on the calendar. Definitely gonna use one of these. So pretty. So if you guys have repurposed calendars, I would love to see what you do with them and how you use them, because I never really thought of it till recently. Oop, I almost cut off that little arrow thing. Oh, goodness. I almost cut it off. I think I can fix it. Okay, this arrow I want to put somewhere. I didn't cut off. I didn't come off. Okay, good. maybe set that aside for later. Another piece here. This is some cardstock that was a bunch of thrift store finds, and I think it's really pretty. Gotta put that in here. I usually don't do this on a whim. I usually kind of plan it a little better, but I thought I would just do it. No reason, just doing it because I wanted to use this calendar. Okay, now I have the arrow, and I have these flowers. Maybe like that. And I have this one. Well, maybe the bigger one up here to go across. Dream a little bigger in 2025, even though this is my 2024 calendar, but I think I'm going to use this one. I think it'll look really nice right there. I like this arrow. And I have a couple other arrows. Oh, I have this one too. I don't know which one to use. Maybe that might work well right there. That arrow pointing to dream a little bigger. And be bold. I'm going to put be bold, I think, across here. Here. Okay. And then to make this stand out, I'm going to use my black Sharpie pen, and I'm going to make this stand out. So I'm just going to go across. I'm a little shaky. Like I said, I just had open heart surgery. I just got home Friday. I'm not real strong yet, but I just sit here and I think, you know, I just got to get my mind off my aches and pains and do something creative. So that's what I'm doing. So this is my first project after the hospital. Come on, Sharpie. Yeah, I think if I go around like this, that'll kind of make it stand out. That, hopefully. And I think I'll use to make these flowers stand out like I want. Well, I'll do this too, be bold. I get thicker. I'm going to use a thicker pen. Bear with me as I go around trying to make this a little more stand out. Okay, that looks a little better. And I think I'll go around this. Oops, I'm a little shaky, but I think it'll be all right. I don't think you'll mind, will you? Tell me what you think. And if you have repurposed calendars, I would love to see what you did with them. Okay, almost done. Oop, I went out the line. Like I said, this is not going to be perfect, but hey, collage is not perfect, but what do you think about that? I think that looks pretty good, actually. There's my repurpose calendar with some extra little doodads in there. So thank you for watching tonight. I hope you like that, and we'll see you again later. Bye-bye.